History of agriculture, development, smart greenhouse technology and widely used agricultural technologies. The history of farming starts about 10,000 years ago, showing the close of the Old Stone Age and the start of a new time. Before this time, people lived as hunters and gatherers, depending on wild plants and creatures for meals. These groups moved around looking for food. The first signs of farming come from the Fertile Crescent, a place in the Middle East that goes from the eastern Mediterranean shore to the Persian Gulf. First societies in this area started to grow wild plants like wheat, barley and beans. The transition from a nomadic to a settled lifestyle during the Neolithic Revolution is one of the most significant milestones in human history. As agriculture developed in the Fertile Crescent, it spread to other parts of the world. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century, had a profound impact on agriculture. The invention of new machinery, such as the seed drill, the threshing machine, and the mechanical reaper, revolutionized farming. The mid-20th century saw the advent of the Green Revolution, a period of rapid agricultural advancement that dramatically increased global food production. The Green Revolution was driven by the development of high-yielding varieties of crops, such as wheat, rice, and corn, which were more resistant to diseases and pests. However, the Green Revolution also had negative environmental and social consequences. The heavy reliance on chemical fertilizers and pesticides led to soil degradation, water pollution, and the loss of biodiversity. The future of agriculture will likely be shaped by several factors, including population growth, climate change, and advances in technology. As the global population continues to rise, there will be an increasing demand for food, which will require innovations in farming practices to increase productivity while minimizing environmental impact. Besides, sustainable agriculture will be at the forefront of future agricultural practices. A smart greenhouse is an advanced agricultural system that utilizes technology and data to optimize the growth conditions for plants. Unlike traditional greenhouses, which rely heavily on manual labor and basic climate control, smart greenhouses incorporate Internet of Things, IoT, devices, sensors, and automation systems to monitor and control environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, light levels, soil moisture, and nutrient levels. These systems work together to create an ideal growing environment, often tailored to the specific needs of the plants being cultivated. Key technologies in smart greenhouses are sensors and IoT devices, automated irrigation systems, climate control and HVAC systems, artificial intelligence and machine learning, vertical farming integration. For instance, vertical farming is a technique where crops are grown in stacked layers or vertically integrated systems. It typically occurs in controlled environments such as greenhouses or indoor farms. Vertical farming utilizes hydroponics, growing plants without soil, aeroponics, growing plants in air or mist with nutrients, and sometimes aquaponics, integrating fish farming with plant cultivation. Benefits of smart greenhouse technology are increased crop yields and quality, resource efficiency and sustainability, reduced labor costs and increased automation, climate resilience, local food production. Challenges and future outlook are high initial investment costs, the need for specialized knowledge, ongoing maintenance of technology systems. However, as technology continues to advance and become more affordable, the adoption of smart greenhouses is expected to grow. Governments, research institutions, and private companies are increasingly investing in the development of affordable and scalable solutions that can help farmers transition to more sustainable practices. Agriculture is the backbone of food security and the global economy, providing sustenance to billions of people around the world. As the world's population continues to grow and climate change presents new challenges, modern agricultural technologies and techniques are playing an increasingly important role in ensuring the efficiency, sustainability, and productivity of farming practices. Widely used agricultural technologies and techniques are precision agriculture, genetically modified, vertical farming, hydroponics and aquaponics, drone technology, conservation tillage, crop rotation and agroforestry. Consequently, the adoption of new agricultural technologies and techniques is transforming farming practices around the world. From precision agriculture and GMOs to vertical farming and drone technology, these innovations are helping farmers produce more food with fewer resources while minimizing their environmental footprint.